Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about macros in Excel, in Microsoft Excel. So if you have tasks in Excel that you do repeatedly, like suppose you're making a report and you do it every single time, every single month, and you have to repeat the same task every single time, macros will help you in automating those tasks. So you don't have to do it every single time. Now I'll show you all how we make macros and then we'll understand it better. So first of all, you need developer tab over here. So for that, I will go in files, options, and over here I will select customize ribbon. Ribbon means this top ribbon. Okay, and then I will tick on developer and then I will select OK. So now as you can see, we have got the developer tab over here. Now I'll click on developer. Here I have an option of record macro. So I will click record. Now after you do this, every single mouse click and keystroke that you will so let's do this. Now I'll give it a name. Say macro 1, and you can give any description to it so that you do not forget. Okay. I will write here macros for practice. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so now what I'll do first is I will select this whole column, this whole row, then I will increase the size of it 14. I will give it a formatting of bold, then I might change the color. Okay, and okay, so suppose this is the unit price. Now I want to format it. Okay, I will sort it. Okay, from largest to smallest. So now it is formatted. So now all the so it will be sorted in this order. So the largest unit price will be on top and the smallest will be at the bottom. And say for example, okay, now here I will do condition formatting. Okay, you can do anything, whatever you want to do with your report. Okay, so what I'm doing with conditional formatting is wherever technology is written in this particular column, it will be highlighted with red color. So this is what is done. So this is all that I wanted to do with my report. So now again I'll go over here in developer and now I'll click stop recording. So my macro is recorded. Now I'll go on macros and I will select this. As you can see, here everything is written. Every keystroke and every mouse click is recorded over here. Okay. See, as you can see, first we selected it, then we gave it a bold formatting, then we changed the font. Everything is recorded. Each and everything that you did is recorded over here. Okay. So this is how it's recorded. Now suppose you want to use it. Okay, now I have a sheet 2 over here. Now this is a plain sheet. Now I want to repeat it, everything, okay, all over again. So again I'll go on developers, here on macros here, and I will click on run. And as you can see, it's done. The formatting is done. I did not have to do each and every step again and again. So this is how macros is helpful. It will help you in automating your task. So if there are a certain number of actions or tasks which you do every single time, it's better to make macros out of it, and you can use it every single time. You just have to run the macros and it's done all at once. So this will help in saving time and also in saving efforts. So this is how macros is used in Excel. I hope this video helped you guys, and there is a full playlist of Excel, so do check it out. And yes, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.